Deepa from Aegis Global Academy. Today on 27th of March we are here in IIM Indore. It's a holy time, still we are having classes because it is taught by a great professor Mr. Ganesh Kumar. So today we had in morning, first we had after breakfast we just went for photo shoot, and which was a great excitement for all of us. We had great memories over there. After coming from that, we had a session with Mr. Ganesh Kumar, and that was the subject current world economics. So what we did in that, we were having four major agendas. First was of subprime crisis of 2008, and second was exchange rate system. So in subprime crisis, what we came to know about, he enlightened us with lots of knowledge regarding that, and we came to know about different countries, what was their causes and what was the reaction which we had it due to this subprime crisis. After that, he came to tell us about all the different, what are the causes and reaction which we had in different countries, and India was also a part of it. After that, in exchange rate system, as we are a banking students also, and we were having lots of new terms which he came to know by him. What we had that whatever doubts we were having, that we can clarify with him, and he was having a great interaction with them. One more thing I would like to add that about Mr. Ganesh, that he's a really great teacher, and the way of teaching is really interesting because he is adding humor on it. So which makes us the session attractive, and we were interested in it. Thank you.
Hello, I am Ravi Raghava from Aegis Global Academy. Today we are on the third day of our IIM Indore session, and today in our first morning session we studied about the world economic environment. Here we have studied about the European crisis, and our professor Mr. Ganesh Kumar has given us a detailed story about how the European Monetary Union has been created, and which are the countries which had the first member, were the first member of that EMU. And then after that he had talked about the crisis which the European countries are currently facing. He has talked about the countries like Portugal, Ireland, Greece, and Spain, how they have they are not managed to overcome from the debt crisis. And recently he has given the knowledge about the Cyprus, what was happened to the Cyprus, and how the Cyprus also followed them in the debt crisis. After that he talked about that our conversion rate, that many people did not aware of what is the conversion rate about the rupee and dollar, and he had talked about that the export and import, how it is useful when the conversion rate is high and you are exporting or importing your goods. So it was quite interesting session and a knowledgeable session for us, and we have gained a lot knowledge from him, and I think it will be quite useful for us in our future. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Pausi Barad. I am the participant of Aegis Global Academy. We are in IIM Indore, and this is our third day. And in the second session, we had a session on brand management. And the faculty was Mr. Ashish Shad, the best faculty I have ever seen in my career. He talked about the brand management, how brand management is critical in nowadays, and in what context, and what are the parameter association with the brand management. In terms of 4 Ps, how 4 Ps affected to the brand management, and what are the factors involved in regarding brand management. And he talked about the involvement. So involvement in terms of while we are purchasing any products, how much involvement as a customer I will looking for, like whether the product is having the higher value or lower value, how much involvement in the terms of finance risk, perceived risk, social risk, or performance risk. So based on he interact with our class in terms of lots of practical examples, and he was trying to understand how involvement is necessary for buying any products, whether it is low prices or high prices. In terms of customer perceived value, he talked about the how much importance of customer perceived value. It is totally based on the social benefits and perceived benefits and perceived cost. So in perceived benefits, how can we increase our perceived value so that we can get our brand equity improved? And perceived benefits, we can say that rational and emotional. Like he has given one example of soap Dove. So Dove is basically a soap. Then all soaps are typically same. But how Dove is emotionally connected with their customer by giving the 1/4 moisturizer to their customer. So we today we learn lots of products in terms of brands and how it is connect socially, emotionally, psychologically with the customers, and how as a global player how they attack to the other customers, other competitor players, so that they cover the market shares and be a always as a big players. And they also coming with the new products when competitor coming with the new invention product. Like he mentioned one differences about the brand, like Colgate is now coming with the Colgate Sensodyne paste, because the Sensodyne come up with the new invention about the Sensodyne. So as a undisputed player, I have to be there always in my as a global player. I have to come up with the same quality and same product category, so that if I get something from that or not, but as a big player I have to be there with my competitor. So it is very useful for us to learn this kind of practical implication in terms of brand management. And I am very thankful to my Aegis Global Academy to have a session in IIM Indore, and thanks to my company also who has sponsored me to sit in IIM Indore. This is the some achievement for in my life. I have never think about that I have seated in the IIM, one of the greatest institute in India, and I can learn so much things within a short time of span.
Hello, IIM Indore. Frankly speaking, when I came here, I had my own notions about the IIM faculty. I thought they will talk about technical jargon and they will be, in fact, talking a lot of theories. But what I found was completely opposite in Mr. Ashish Sad when he took the class for marketing success. We had a great opportunity to discuss 2 case studies with him. First was marketing success through differentiation of anything. And what we learnt was that what is a product? A product is actually a combination of tangible and intangible. When I say that, the product can be categorized into generic products like soap, like hair oil, shoes, and other FMCG products, as well as specialized products like Apple or Mercedes-Benz also. However, when I say that, the product itself, when it moves from generic to specialized, it is only with regard to the attributes that it has. As well as in that retrospect, the brand management and marketing is a tool in which the product differentiation takes place. This marketing tool is able to differentiate the product and help the company to gain revenue as well as the profit. That was the first case, and in the second case, which was much more interesting, it was about how Snapple got its juice back. Just we can imagine that Snapple, which is an apple juice, can command a value of $1.7 billion just for the brand. So Quaker paid this particular amount of money not for infrastructure, building, or any kind of other asset. This amount was paid only for the brand that was created by 3 workers who were dishwashers. So that's the power of brand we could understood. And also we could understand that if you have to have a brand, the culture of the organization needs to match that kind of a brand. Snapple is a carefree and a careless brand. So the company Triarch was matching its culture, and hence it was able to go ahead and make it a success. Whereas it was not, the same kind of brand was not successful by the other company. So this differentiation we were not aware about, and we cherished Mr. Ashish Shah's humorous way of talking. In fact, he somewhat made us comfortable by his remarks on us, in the sense that he was able to impart the knowledge through a very, very interactive manner, as well as what I could also understood was that we have to be brilliant at basics. Somewhat we were lost in the technical jargon and in theories. He made us realize that we should go into the basics, understand them, and implement it to the business, so that we can get the business profitable as well as the company progressive. So in the last, I would say that besides the weather of IIM Indore, I liked the learning environment. Thanks to Aegis Global Academy as well as our esteemed director Dr. Nagendra Chaudhary for arranging the best of the faculties in the related subjects, so that we can learn and get progressive and successful. Thank you.